The theme Art as Activism points to the work of printmaker Stanley Koppel. He was born in New York City 1911 and was an artist that was active in San Francisco. He regularly illustrated for union-related publications and pamphlets and lots of anti-war material. He was also involved with the labor school, which offered a range of classes to working people and also returning war veterans during World War II. And then as a founding member of the Graphic Arts Workshop as a whole, their mission as artists was to basically speak to issues of social justice through graphic arts. So it was a really interesting project that was based in San Francisco, and we're really excited to share some of that local art history with the community.